Phase 3 connectors manufacture connectors used for attaching cable safely, securely and quickly to a power distribution unit or power source. Our brand name is Powersafe, which is globally recognised, with 60% of our sales going overseas. In the last 5 years, the company has undergone tremendous expansion. It is engaged in complete rebranding. Under new ownership, Phase 3 Connectors has grown into a multinational brand, supplying the highest rated single pole power lock type connectors on earth. Our tagline is, quality is remembered long after the price is forgotten. Not just quality of product, but quality of service. We achieved our ISO accreditation in February 2016, then successfully added VDE approval and UL approval to our range of products. We are the only power lock type connector company currently with a UL listing. Accreditation is very important to us because we like to feel that we have the best product available, which is backed up by external testing. Everything we manufacture is manufactured here in the UK, and we're very proud to be a UK-based manufacturer. Once the accreditations were achieved, the company embraced the online world, social media channels and an online shop, and we expanded Phase 3 Connectors to the USA and to Asia Pacific. We pride ourselves on being able to deliver immediately. We always have stock available to ship all over the world, same day. As the business has grown, we have become the leading supplier of power lock type connectors in the world, providing power connection to a number of the world's leading sporting events and global companies such as Greco. Our aim is to deliver direct to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch our video about Phase 3 Connectors.